they may look very simple, but they are very, very important. Today being the first day that I have accepted you to train you to become a professional, okay, a professional. That at the end of the day, anywhere you go, you'll be accepted. I need to do this for you. So give me this thing. So as I put this into your hands, that becomes your tool. Okay, I've given you the tool to do the electrical work. I've given you the knowledge to do the electrical work, and I've given you the patience to also learn to become the best. Okay. So as I take these two and I give to you, I'm giving you the tool to learn and to become the best that the world has ever seen. The ability to learn and understand the electrical work very well. And that at the end of the day, through this, you'll be able to become the best of yourself. Right? So take it. Okay, Jack, come. Give the camera to him and you also come. Okay, so Jack, so as I give you these two, this signifies the fact that I've accepted you to train you to be the best that you can, the best that the world will accept, the best that you can be for yourself and for country. That you have the patience to really understand the electrical job and many more doors open for you positively, right? Thank you very much. All right, so we are done on that. So we are now back to the. So you can now put on.